Hi friends, I'm here with a delicious Persian saffron chicken kebab from north of Iran called Akbar Joojeh. The ingredients are 1 small chicken. Akbar Joojeh's chicken should be small. 1 kilogram is suitable. 2 onions. 2 cloves garlic. 2 tablespoons melted saffron. 1 teaspoon salt. A quarter of teaspoon pepper. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 50 grams butter. Sauce ingredients: 2 tablespoons pomegranate paste. 2 tablespoons walnut powder. 1 sour orange. Sauce recipe: add walnut powder to pomegranate paste and mix them. Add the sour orange juice to dilute the sauce. This sauce is served with Akbar Joojeh. Saffron chicken kebab recipe: add saffron, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. Halve the chicken. We shouldn't peel the chicken. Chop the onion. Pour over the chicken. Dice the garlics. Add 2 ingredients. Cover all the chicken's parts with this mixture. Give it 24 hours so that the chicken gets flavored.
Tomorrow.
After a day, separate the chicken from the ingredients. Make sure no onions or garlics are stuck to the chicken. Put the chicken in the pot. Pour oil over it. Most chicken's parts should be in oil. The heat should be low. 45 minutes later, put the other side of the chicken in the oil and let it cook and fry. After an hour, put 50 grams of butter on the chicken to melt slowly. After 15 minutes, we put the chickens in the desired dish and serve it with rice. Enjoy your meal!